My name is Pranav Ashish Kansara. I am from Navsari. I have completed 10 plus diploma and now I am doing degree. And in degree, I have found this ECM training, and I want to do this from a very long time. And I have searched many more training centers in some in Gujarat, in other states and all that. But I have found this Purnima Auto Mechanic ECM training best. And also I first come here for the admission, and they are very good in interacting with students and all. So I get admission, and from the very first day I have get a very deeply knowledge about the ECM and cars, and about what fault finding and all that, how we solder in the ECM circuit. As you can see here, there are many solders in every small components. After that, I have get very good knowledge from the Saddam sir, which takes here theory parts. In the theory parts, I have learned about soldering, online tracking, what components name called. After that, I have come downstairs for the practicals, and in practicals there is a sir called Shanawaz sir. I have learned from them how to find faults in the open car, on the car, and from that how we can solve that problem. After that, I have learn on the table working, about key programming also, and how we can replace the ECU, how we can replace the immobilizer in the car, and how we can make the key when we lost our original key, how to replace that. I have learned such more many things from here, and I recommend that you also come here. And if you want to learn about ECU, and if you want to take training for how to repair the ECU, then I am surely say that you should definitely come here and have such experience from here. I have a very good experience, and I have learned such a many more things from this Purnima Automobiles. There is a car called Xylo came here for ECU fault. So I just take out the ECM from the car, and I have seen the many more pins of sockets were broken. So I just take out or desolder and take out all the pin, all the socket, whole socket, and then I replace it from the new socket. After that, I again reassemble and connect in the car, so the problem was solved. And I tell you that it is a very difficult part to replace the component from the ECU, or to replace whole the socket of the ECU, because there are approx 72 pins. There are such many more pins. So one pin you have to desolder it. So it is a very difficult part, and I have done, and I am very grateful that I have done that. Today is my last day. I have completed my ECM training in 23rd days. I am very happy. And I have also got the certificate from Purnima Automobiles. This is my certificate.